Welcome everyone. In today's session, we're going to talk about the changes of the AAT syllabus, and that will be on 2022. So let's have a look. What is the changes we have next year? So it is very important to know because maybe it will have impact on us as well. So let's have a look. What is the implication and what is the changes we have from the current syllabus to the new syllabus? The first thing we can see here, that is the overview, and we can see the overview is what is our so currently we call the syllabus is AQ 2016. So the last syllabus updated from AAT, that was AQ 2016, and now it will be changes to QUALS 22. So from AQ16, it will move to QLS 2022. So let's have a look. What is the key dates we have for the changes? So 31st of January 2022, last day for the registration under AQ 2016. So if you like to start your AAT by 31st of January, so if you started your AAT before 31st of January 2016, you will still have under the syllabus AQ 2016, but very next day, 1st of February, from 1st of February, if you start your AAT 2022, that is next year, then you will be registered as a new syllabus area under QUALS 2022. And the last exam date that you can do for AQ 2016, that will be 30 of June 2023. So what we understand? So we understand who is already enrolled with the AAT right now, or who going to be enrolled by 31st of January 2022, they will be still under AQ 16, and they can carry on the study, they can carry on the exam until June 2023. So they have to pass all this paper. So even someone is registered already, or someone going to be registered with AAT by 31st of January next year 22, they have to complete the whole AAT by June 2023. So what happens if they cannot complete all the paper, if someone cannot pass all the paper? So they have to merge. So they have to jump from one syllabus area to the next syllabus area. So AIT will tell, okay, how many paper you already passed, how many paper is left. They will do a mutual agreement, and they will tell you, okay, you can start with this paper because this paper you already passed, you don't have to do. So you'll move to the new syllabus, but you don't have to do this paper. It's kind of exemption, but that will be depend how many paper you have done and where you are starting. So they might ask you to do some more exam to complete your qualification or move to the new syllabus area. Let's have a look. What is the changes we have on the new syllabus? So what is the changes? They removed some old paper and they add some new papers. So the new syllabus area will have some new papers, that will be addition, and the removal of some old papers. So let's have a look. What is the addition we have here and removal we have? So the removal, that means they're going to remove the paper that is level 2 using accounting software. So from 22, the new syllabus area, if someone register with 80, they will not have using accounting software on the level 2. Then level 3 and level 4, there will be no more synoptic paper. So if you do level 3 and level 4, there will be no more synoptic exam after next year, after February. So starting from 1st of February 2022. Then adding some papers, so they will add two new paper. In level 2, there will be the new paper that is called business environment. And in level 3, there will be new paper that is called business awareness. So these two new paper will be included on the syllabus area. There are some combination of some papers, so the two paper will be one. The first one in level 3, advanced bookkeeping and final account preparation, will be combined into final accounting. So this is the new paper, final accounting, and this will be the combination of advanced bookkeeping and final account preparation. So currently we have a two paper in level 3. One is advanced bookkeeping and final account preparation. So these two are separate paper, but in future after January 2022, these two paper will be one paper under the new syllabus area. Also in level 4, we have budgeting and we have decision making and control. So even these two paper will be one paper, and it will be advanced management accounting. So these two paper together, it will be advanced management accounting. So this will be the changes for the paper. Also, we'll have some more changes for the transition. So the transition means when you have to move from one syllabus area to the next syllabus area. For example, it says a student who registered onto the AAT qualification before 1st February 2022. So if you started your paper before 1st February 2022, and if you are unable to complete your level 4 by 30 June 2023, because from 1st February 22 to 30 June 2023 is not very long time, is kind of 1.5 year, isn't it? So within 1.5 year, if you cannot finish all the level 4, maybe level 2, level 3, level 4, if you cannot finish all of this, then you will have a transition from AQA 16 to QUALS 2022. So you move from the old syllabus to the new syllabus automatically. And how many paper you get exemption is depends on the student, how many paper they already passed, and how many paper is left, and what is the combination of level 2, level 3. So based on the amount of paper, based on the studies you have completed, they will tell you now you have to move from the old syllabus to the new syllabus. So this is mainly the changes is coming from next year, 1st February 2022. So if you already studying AAT, and if you are very close to finish your paper, then I would say like make a plan. Don't delay much, and try to finish by uh, to June 2023, isn't it? 30 June 2023. That's the last date you have to complete your AAT. For example, if you started your level 2 now, so try to make a plan so that by June 2023, you can complete your study by next 2 years. Or if you're planning to start now of just level 2, please make a plan so that you know like what's happening in 2023, so you can finish by this time. Or if not, then obviously not, you don't have to very stress for that, because even if you move to the new syllabus, uh, they will give it exemption anyway. It's not like they will say start from the beginning. So even if you completed few papers, you can jump to the new syllabus, but maybe you will lose some papers in case. For example, when two people become one, for example in level 3 you have advanced bookkeeping and you have a final account preparation, and these two paper becoming one paper. Now what happen if you just pass only one paper, advanced bookkeeping, but you haven't passed the final account preparation yet? Now in certain time after June 2023, you have to move to the new syllabus. Now in the new syllabus, this two paper is one paper. So what will happen? They cannot give you the exemption because you just passed one paper, so you might need to do the same paper again. So it's very important. Even if you see the deadline is very close, you can do the paper that is basically becoming one, so that even if you move to the new syllabus, you can get the exemption. So this is so far the estimation of the changes from the AAT. It's not confirmed yet. They said that will be the probably changes, but when they expect or estimate any changes, that is always happen. So obviously, whatever they saying here, it will going to be happen in next year. So hopefully, like, you now know what is the changes you're expecting, and you can make a plan based on that. And of course, like, nothing to worry, if you already done few papers, you try to finish before the deadline, that is 30 June 2023. So even it is changing next year, so it will not impact on you until June 2023. So still you have more time to complete your old syllabus and all the exam you do based on the AQ16, not the new one. So even if you think like it's changes coming from next year, but still it will not be applicable on you until 30 June 2023. So I think this information will be helpful for you understanding what changes coming to the AAT from next year, and you can make a plan based on that. Thank you very much for watching.